Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. It is so hot. But I got it done. Willow. So here we are back on a different day. All right, y'all, welcome back to the journey and this build series of the shed room for mom and dad. Yes, that's what we're calling it, or at least that's what I called it. Because it's basically, it's not going to be a tiny house. It's just going to be their bedroom. So, yes, this is a, what was it, 12 by 16? 12 by 16? I mean, that's the size of a average master bedroom, I guess. And they like to be in comfort. They actually have a king size bed that's going in here, along with the couch, a dresser, TV, a few other things, maybe a little refrigerator. And we are going to try to get them like a little porta potty type thing, a composting type toilet or whatever. It's a camping type thing. If I could find a picture of it, I'll show it. And yeah, well, I last left you. Drew is over here giving me a hand. Thank you once again, brother. And we got the sheathing and stuff up on the roof. Still here by myself, so I'm not really trying to do a whole lot up high. Because for one, I don't really like heights as it is. And two, just the safety of that. Yeah, I would rather someone be here. Because for one, I don't even have my phone on me. It's over at the RV uploading today's Scuttlebutt. So if you didn't know, we got a side channel. It's called the Daily Scuttlebutt with IFF. It's just a daily vlog. You get a little bit of behind the scenes action. Sometimes you get a Navy story. Who knows? But it's just is what it is. We talk about whatever comes to our mind at that day or things that we're working on. All right. Yeah. Let me go show you something I need to fix. So if you watch up to that part of the video, toward that panel here is still sitting proud. Well, the reason for that is because if you watch the short video I did to plumb this gable end, I had a ratchet strap that went down to the floor. Well, that ratchet strap was attached to a screw. And if you see up here, that screw is still there. So I got my Sawzall. I'm gonna go up there and see if I can't cut it out. And then I'll put the ladder up here just on the side, just so I can get a couple nails on the side of that panel, because there are nails on the rest of that panel, but not on the edge. So let's get to cutting. Just like that. I gotta go nail it down. All right, up next is finishing off this gable end. So I got to tack some boards up there, and then the soffit, and then go from there. So let's get busy. Because I didn't touch them at the peak, now I got to cut a little bit off the other side. Oops. All right, those are all nailed in and screwed in, because I'm running out of the 10D nails. That's what it calls for. So now I put in the soffit, and then I have more of the same boards here that goes on to the other part of the soffit. So it'll get screwed in, which I might attach those to the soffit before I put it up. I don't know. I'll kind of see how that goes, because I also have to attach down from the top. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so I'm basically putting the soffit in. I still got to put those two sections in because they have to be cut, but I cannot find my pencil for whatever reason. So, but I did want to go ahead and start putting this block in here, if you can see. And that goes flush to your soffit. But in the book, it tells you to use your 6D galvanized nails up into your soffit, into that block, and then the 6D common going down from the roof sheathing. But all of this other soffit that gets installed on both sides gets installed with screws. I was like, well, why would they have me do it with nails on this side? So to make life simpler on me, I still have some of those screws left. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'll come down from the top and nail it in from the top. But yeah. Don't put stepping stool on the rock, man. So much easier than nailing. So much easier. So even though it seems like I've only been out here a short bit, I've already actually been out here for a couple hours. Because I was cleaning up the site and just getting stuff ready. Plus I had to go back and forth to the RV a couple times, get batteries and get, the Sawzall and just things you don't see, right? So it's already lunchtime. I'm gonna go ahead and break for lunch. I'm probably gonna grab another shirt number 2 for the day. And yeah, it's getting back to being hot. We're gonna be hot for the next week or so, probably longer. And yeah, I'm just ready to be done with this build. At least the outside portion. and then possibly some insulation for the inside. Not looking forward to doing that in the heat either. So, all right, y'all. Be right back. All right, I made it back out here after lunch. Of course, now it's getting to be the hottest part of the day, and we're just getting in to that super heated bowl of yuck for like the next, I don't know, over a week is what they're saying. So, because today is Friday as I'm recording this, so going into Friday, into the weekend, they said all next week, just record-setting temps with drought in a lot of areas. I might even go down to the pond and just see how much that drops daily by putting a flag at the water level, and then every day go down there and just see how far, because our pond actually gets fed from underground water. It doesn't have like any other streams or anything that goes to it, so I'd be interested to know how much that goes down, because if the pond's going down, that means our well is also going down. Or well, not wells. We only have one. And I can always throw that up here in the corner if you guys want to see that video of us getting our well and stuff like that together. But we're here to work on a shed right now, so let's get back to work. And of course, I forgot my pencil. So I got to doing the Susie homemaker stuff. Now that I'm here by myself, I'm gotta get dinner prepped and do the laundry and all that good stuff I don't like doing. That's all right. I had a pin in the truck. Works just the same. All right. We didn't cut this off camera. I'm going to continue using the screws instead of the nails. All right, so there we go. We got that side done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one cut, put up there, and then I'll be right back because I still need to install all of these, basically the exact same like I installed that, but then I also have to put nails on the top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that done. That way I don't have to sit there and keep fighting with the camera in this heat. So be right back. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys, it is so hot. But I got it done, both sides. Like I said, it's just the heat, the camera's not wanting to work very well. And then obviously trying to do this and this when it's, I mean, without the heat index, it's in triple digits. So, yeah, I'm done for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys around, let you see what got accomplished. And then what's up next? We'll find out. there we go. It's finished. With the exception of I still kind of spitting out sweat. I'm sweating so bad. My sweat is sweating. But I still need to finish nailing down a lot of the roofing. It's just way too hot for today, and I'm here by myself. So that might be a project for tomorrow. But other than finishing out the inside and getting some doors up on here, it's done. It only took, 6 parts to get to this point? Oh, man. And I tell you right now, definitely would not have been here without the help of the community. It's greatly appreciated. And if you want to continue to help us, share us out. Help us grow. Help us get monetized. Give us some hours. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, then go back to the beginning of this playlist. I'll have that link down in the description. You can also check that out up here. I always forget which side. And that will also be at the end of the video. So if you have not watched from the beginning, go check it out. Watch them all. It's greatly appreciated. Well, you guys, I'm hot. I'm ready to go get some AC, get a nice cold beverage, and wait for the missus and the kids to get home. They should be home any minute though, within the hour. So, all right. Well, it's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Last but not least, remember to always think of veteran at every chance you get. Not only on Veterans Day. Whoo! I'm so hot. See you on the next one. There you go.